Okay, braking now, double pumping. Oi, fuel tank. Oh Lord! Okay, welcome to day 2 of brakes. So before I go and pick up the fixed wheel and do the test ride, I thought it was good to just check the fronts if they're leaking. Topped up, I'm not really sure where the levels were yesterday, so I think the levels have dropped a little bit. So I think there's still a leak somewhere. Not sure if it's in the clutch or if it's in the brakes, but I couldn't see any excessive spill in the front or leaks. More than I saw yesterday. In the rear there's no leaks that I can see. That's why I'm opening the drums in the front today, and then we will see if we have a leak or not. First thing, tension screw. Not sure which way. Then the 3 lock screws, which were easy, making me think there's a leak inside here as well. This is the easiest corner so far, so let's see. Yeah, definitely a oil leak on the seal here. But the brake cylinder seems to be not leaking. Okay, so the front is looking pretty good. There are some leakage going on there, and I think it's the seal on the hub, not from the brake slave here. So the slave seems to be good. The brake shoes also seems to be good. I will just brush over them with some sandpaper just to get the edges here, and then I think we are good on this side. So all looking good. The drum not looking too bad either, so just giving that a quick clean, put it back on, and then I will do the other side and we will put the wheels back on. Definitely some kind of oil that has been leaking in here, so I'm guessing diff oil or something. I'm not sure what's out on the hub here. Is it oil or is it like these grease in the swivel balls? Maybe grease. Can't remember. Or was it oil on the old ones and then grease on the new ones? I think I had grease on my Defender. And it's just touching, which is good. Okay, that's done. Then do the other side. This side is actually pretty dry. Cobwebs inside there. So dry, it's dusty dry inside here. So it's definitely the driest side, which is good. So no leaks on this one either. Good. Sandpaper. So the drum is rusty, as you can see. And I think it's one of the only ones because it's been actually been dry in here, which is positive. I think these tires are actually lighter than on my Disco. Need to check the torque settings. Need to get the wheel socket in inches. Okay, let's get the last wheel. Okay, so stopped at another wheel because Håvard works here, and I just checked if he has the pin for the lights project that I have. So if you have seen those videos, go check it out, the light bar and how I connected everything. And I'm missing just one tiny pin to put in the contact there to initiate the power in the engine bay. And funny thing, Håvard has the complete kit at home that he isn't using and don't think he's going to be using, so he's going to check it when he comes home today. So should have asked Håvard first, basically. But really fun. Now on to Perry and get the tire.
Lever bar.
Yeah.
All this. You see these cracks?
Yeah.
They're about that deep. Honestly. Right, let's check the pressure.
Yeah.
30.
Yeah. Perfect.
I
Sweet.
didn't want to go any more because
No.
I didn't want the tire to go.
Yeah. Thank you. Great. Oh, wrong side.
Yeah, wrong side, Simon.
So we just need to move out the other car there, and I can bring mine, and then we
Yeah.
have a Land Rover workshop here.
Yep.
Yeah. Just talk to the owner
We'll
and then.
sweeten the boss.
Yeah. Good. Ready. When do you start?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I clean it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Underneath and
Yeah.
just so things are easier to see.
Yeah.
Put some penetrating oil just for the bolts, for the body, and let it soak in over the weekend. And
Let me know when you're going to take the body off, and I will come and join you. Yeah.
Okay.
And we will make something of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Thank you for the tire.
No problem.
Yes.
Pleasure as always.
I will drive you home.
Yep. Thank you.
Every day is a struggle. Every day is a trial. Every day is a failure. I have to walk another mile. I'll go wherever you go. This life doesn't go well with me. I'm not a member of the band. Do you think you can like me despite that sitting on God's right hand? I'm alone. Take me home. As you make the bed, so we must lie. As you make the bed, so we must lie. As you make the bed, so you must lie.
I won't drive it too much because of the leak, but we will definitely try and test the brakes. Looking forward to this. A bit spongy. Keys are here, good. Choke, Max. On the button! On the button! Right. Yeah, definitely spongy. Need to fix that. And brake. Not pumping the brake, so that's good. Not great. Let's do another test. Clutch is a bit jumpy. I don't know if that's normal or not. Ow. But we are driving. Here, can we do third, 4. Okay, braking now, double pumping. Oi, fuel tank. Oh Lord! So we have brakes. We just need to fix the sponginess and fix the tank. Okay, let's spark it up. Oh, smells like fuel in here now. It's running and stopping. That's good. Just gonna see the leak, check the leak, and then air it out because so much petrol. But yeah, test drive brakes are basically fixed. Just need to be aired out properly, and then do another test. But yeah, good thing for this run. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to like, subscribe, and all of that, and check out Patreon if you want to see more of this project and help me get this back on the road. Fun to working on the series again. Yeah, see you in the next one.